خير شيء عرا. زيرو شو هذا اسمه يا خزير.
Welcome, dear friends, to the Daler Eagle channel. As always, we continue to make a selection of what is happening on the front line. A Russian Su-34 bomber dropped 4 FAB 500 type bombs, destroying the logistics of Ukrainian soldiers in the village of Vyrolyabivka. Ukrainian MLRS systems of the 1st Guards Tank Army of the West group of forces destroyed an accumulation of AFU military equipment and manpower in the Pokrovsk direction. Dear friends, if the video is interesting to you, support it with a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss new releases. And to be informed, click on the bell. Thank you for watching, and we will continue. The BM-21 Grad and the 2A-66 gun of the Howitzer Artillery Division of the 238th Artillery Brigade dealt a powerful blow to the rear area of the Ukrainian forces, where Ukraine was accumulating reserves and placing command posts. The high precision of the strike was ensured by the aerial reconnaissance of the Attack and Reconnaissance Division of the Kuban artillerymen, which provided the exact coordinates of the targets. Exclusive footage from the scouts of the southern group from the Donetsk direction. The Ukrainian armed forces destroyed BMP-1 and M113 APC in the Stupachek area. On the footage, you can see the destruction of a 23mm caliber anti-aircraft installation on the base of the Ural Russian KVN drones on fiber optics. the work of a sniper of the RF armed forces in the Zaporizhia direction. The shot was made at a distance of 700 meters. Destruction of an Ukrainian armed forces 120mm mortar by a Russian FPV drone near the Stepovoy settlement on the Orkhovsky direction. The shots were made by Russian soldiers. On the frames you can see destroyed American armored vehicle HMMWV of the AFU on Kharkiv direction. Russian soldiers collecting trophies after successful assault on Ukrainian fortifications.
Пошла запись. Класс.
Заебись. Все, пошло.
Давай, я вниз.
Мешок.
Destroyed American-made M777 howitzer artillery unit. Ukrainian soldiers baited Russian drones with their flag.
Так, вот он еще. С крестами.
Another Ukrainian armed forces vehicle left to rust in the fields of Kursk region. Footage taken by Russian soldiers.
Все, такой сгоревший образец.
Once again, Russian drone pilots show a professional approach to the target. Ukrainian soldiers obviously did not expect this. A Russian FPV drone strike on a group of enemy servicemen in the village of Basavka in Sumy region. An attempt to reinforce the positions of Ukrainian formations in Sumy region was foiled by servicemen from a group of Rosgvardia troops. Using fiber optic drones, another American M113 APC and a pickup truck carrying a group of enemy UAV operators were destroyed. The defeat of an AFU Humvee fleeing from the Kursk region. Unique footage of 37 bars Sarmat and 19 MSD 429 MSP working on Ukrainian armed forces equipment and manpower. That's all, dear friends. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, and don't forget to click on the bell to not miss new episodes. Leave your comments. Your opinion is very important to us. See you soon.